All right, we're going to try and look for a sell at this point. I got on a little late today. It's currently 11:56. Had to get a little baseball going in, but we are currently going to be looking for a short either on this inverse, this 1 minute, or some sort of 5 minute created within here. So right now we've got this 5 minute that was just created, and then this inverse, and then there's another 1 minute down here. But I'm going to be targeting this inverse fair value gap right here so we can try and get a push down to break new lows. All right, so price is finally moving up into this, so I'll let you guys know when I get in the trade. If this doesn't hit this 1 minute, I'm going to be so mad. All right, so I just got in, just hit this inverse on the 1 minute with the 5 minute. So hopefully we're able to retrace on down. So we had a nice little inversion back down to the downside here. As we can see, we start pushing on down. I was literally just thinking to myself, if we start to break structure and break down past these lows, we should be chilling. And I mean, right now we are on a downtrend. So let's see what happens. As we all know, the month of December, consolidation. So I'm gonna go eat some lunch. So we'll see what happens from this. So currently we did break this little low right here. So we are moving on down, and we're currently up around 550, 500 to 550 currently. I'm just going to let it keep on riding down even further to one of these lows. I've actually got take profits here, and take profits way down here. We're coming up on our take profit one right on this black line right here, but you know, we like to just fly back on up. So I mean, currently, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of edging before, but I mean, this is pretty much me getting edged by the Nasdaq. So yeah, if I would sell off right now, I would have $1,000 currently, but since the stock market doesn't want to actually hit here, please, no, do it now, do it now, go. Bro. It's working. Take profit one. So I've been in this trade now for almost 2 hours, and we just hit take profit one. Currently 236. I don't know if I'm going to keep writing this out. I mean, I've got like 1,000 right now if I would sell, a little over 1,000, but I really want to see it break that other low, that previous low, which I think it will do. So we should be able to see that happen here shortly. Not shortly, probably aftermarket, which might suck, but we're going to see what happens. We're going to be watching it. As I said earlier, we are just consolidating. We broke past it, hit our take profit, and now we have been consolidating for about 30 minutes now. So we're going to wait a little bit longer and see if we can hit our other take profits. All right, we just hit this 15 minute to the downside. We were halfway to our second take profit, and we decide to move back up. So it's still up around 500, but I want to see if we can get anything out of this 15 minute or this 5 minute. Getting some nice retracements up here. I just don't think we're going to hold. but could break on down. I'm probably going to try and take out at these lows somewhere in here. Honestly, not a terrible trade, but let's just hoping that we came down more off of this area, which we pushed past here at least. Would have had another take profit right here. All right, so we created a inversion right here, right off this 15 minute. So I just added one more right here. And my stop loss is right back up here. So if we come back up here, we'll be completely out on the trade. All right, we are officially stopped out on this candle right here. Yeah, we're officially stopped out right here. Today, total was only $345. That was from our loss of a trade, and then this retracement we had, this little retracement. So, I was kind of worried about this coming up. Usually in the last 30 minutes, price likes to move up, but it's 355. We're going to call it a day. Wasn't bad. Had an opportunity to make like 1800 today, but in all outcomes, I mean, hey, I'm totally okay with a $400 day. Totally okay with that. And then on that note, I am going to be targeting these lows tomorrow. See if we can even come down to here-ish, maybe here, and even break at least here. Break here, come down to here even. I'm looking for some sort of short tomorrow.